How to add a clock widget on your home screen for Samsung phones with Android 14 One UI 6.0. Let's get started. To add a clock widget, basically you'll long press on the home screen like this here until you see this happens right here. Go to where it says widgets, and from here you'll go down the list until you see clock. When you tap on this section here, it's going to expand and show you every other type of clock you can add, whether it's alarm, a digital clock, or analog, or the dual one. Now, if you're looking for the analog one, tap on it once, then tap on add, and it's going to appear like this right here. Okay, so here's what's going to happen now. Let's just say you tapped away now and you want to make some changes to that clock. One, go ahead and long press it again, and you can pull in these little circles here, which will expand the size of that clock for you. Now, there's only so much bigger that it can go to since the One UI 6.0 update, unlike One UI 5.0 here. And you can also hold it down and move it around on your home screen and fit it to where you want it to be, okay? Now, with that said and done, go ahead and long press it a second time and you'll notice these different options here. So if you want to change the style of your clock, go to settings and you'll see the different style options here. And as I toggle them, you'll notice it changes from up here, okay? And you can also choose between the white or the black to help it stand out more depending on the wallpaper you have, okay? And then once you're done, be sure to press save and it's gonna look like this right here, okay? And if you're ready to remove it, just long press it once again. You'll see these options and remove it. Like and sub.